Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting: creating your own mobile app using Wix in 2025. If you've ever thought about building an app without diving into complex coding, this full guide is perfect for you. Wix has leveled up its tools this year, making app development accessible for beginners and pros alike. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need a Wix account. Head over to the Wix website, sign up if you haven't already, and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the Wix dashboard and look for the App Builder section. It's right there in the main menu. This is your gateway to turning ideas into reality. Now, let's get creative. Start by selecting a template that fits your app's purpose, whether it's for e-commerce, a portfolio, or something fun like an event planner. Customize the layout by dragging and dropping elements like buttons, images, and text fields. Wix's intuitive interface makes this a breeze, even if you're new to design. Next, add some functionality. Integrate features like payment gateways for sales, forms for user input, or even AI-powered elements that Wix introduced in 2025. Don't forget to optimize for mobile. Ensure your app looks great on both iOS and Android by testing responsiveness. Once your app is shaping up, hit the preview button to test it out. Check for bugs, user flow issues, and overall performance. Wix allows you to simulate real device experiences right in the editor. Finally, when you're ready, publish your app. Submit it to the app stores or share it directly via Wix's platform. Remember to promote it on social media to get those downloads rolling. There you have it, a complete guide to creating a mobile app in Wix for 2025. It's easier than ever, and the possibilities are endless. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your app ideas. Let's build something amazing together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.